guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to say if you can't get it to make, then make it make with what you have in your house. So anyway, today I wanted to talk about preserving eggs for long-term storage. And if you have an abundance of eggs and that's what you want to do, well, keep watching because we're going to learn how to do it in this video.
The only eggs that are suitable for the water glassing method are freshly laid eggs, unwashed, with its natural bloom intact. Having the bloom intact is incredibly important for this process. Without it, it won't work. Unfortunately, eggs that you buy at the store have already been washed, bleached, and sprayed with mineral oil. They are not suitable for this process. Whether you are using duck eggs, quail eggs, or chicken eggs for this method, you definitely want the cleanest of the batch. You don't want to have any eggs that have dirt or feces on them, or try to rub it off, as that would jeopardize the bloom. In order to make the solution, you are going to need a powdered lime. I am using the pickling lime by Mrs. Wages, and for the best results with your water, I suggest using spring water or some sort of filtered water. Keep in mind that this method is for long-term food storage, so you want to make sure that you select materials that are food grade. If you decide to go with plastic, make sure that you look for the recycling number 2 on the top of the lid and on the bottom.
Another thing you want to consider when it comes to storing your eggs is the container. If you're going to be hauling these eggs or moving these eggs, you might want to have a smaller container like a 3-gallon bucket or smaller glasswares that you can handle. The other thing is you're going to be reaching down at the bottom for the first eggs that you water glass opposed to the ones at the top. So those are a couple things you want to think about before you go ahead and store them.
The ratio that you want for this solution is 1 quart water to 1 ounce of lime. And guys, please be careful with lime. This is not something you want to breathe in at all. Next, just make sure that the solution is thoroughly mixed and dissolved. Now it is time to add your eggs to the container of your choice. Remember, the ratio is the same no matter what container or size you use. Make sure that when you are adding your eggs, you are placing them pointy side down. And now you can add the solution to your eggs, and making sure that they are fully submerged in the solution. Close up your container, making sure that it is airtight.
Okay, that is the process of water glassing your eggs. Now just a reminder that whether you go big or small in your storage, that the ratio is the same. It is 1 quart of water per 1 ounce of lime. Also, just like a quick thought to put out there, yes, I've heard people say that you can buy lime in a huge bulk at like Home Depot or Lowe's or any type of hardware store. In my opinion, I would just stray away from those types of limes just because they are not a food grade lime. You know, I mean, at this point, you have all these amazing, wonderful eggs and you want to try to preserve them the best way possible. It's just best to stick with a food grade lime. The other thing is as you store your eggs, you will see some separation between the water and the lime, and that's completely fine. Lime is naturally heavier than water, so it will sink to the bottom. It's not something that you have to go and keep up with by stirring it. You don't need to do that. So other than that, the amount of time in this preservation method is 1 year. Some people, it's lasted 18 months, some people even 2 years. So this is an excellent way to be able to store your eggs for long-term storage. If this is a method that you've done before, I'd love to hear your comments and how it's worked out for you and just your whole experience in, water glassing eggs. Other than that, I hope that you have been able to learn this method, and please definitely try it because it is absolutely worth it. Other than that, God bless, and as always, Take care.